I'm Sydney Khumalo, working at Dunlop for 33 years. I enjoy my life here at Dunlop. I support my family. I've got many things that I achieve because of Dunlop. I started working at textile making, but now I'm working the light one. You can't make the tire with only the machine. The man is very important. There is a gymnasium here in that site. Some of them are going there to the gym, but others they said the work is the gym. There are so many things that I learn as I was here. To be friendly with others, to just communicate with many people, that makes me happy. I feel happy and then proud